Welcome to the future of shoes, the Generation 3 Vivobiome. These shoes are made in a non-conventional sense. They are bespoke to your feet and without the need for traditional and cumbersome shoemaking processes. No warehouse full of stock, no overcomplicated production line. They've taken the learnings and the feedback from us as pioneers and applied it to this third generation. They are a more flexible material. They are a more grippy and sustainable material. Vivo have been working hard to deliver this technology. Currently, it is just in the UK, but the intention is these shoes will be available locally to you. The Gen 1 with its hybrid wing in lava red was a pioneering product but was hindered by poor grip and limited flexibility. The colour was also quite divisive, but I liked it. The Gen 2 in sodium grey featured improved outsole geometry and a better grip. The new colour featured enhanced knitting and felt like a real manufactured shoe rather than a prototype. Some pioneers still reported discomfort, prompting further improvements in the Gen 3. For the 12 people or 6% of the pioneers that found that there was undue rubbing coming through these medial wings, they were able to modify the position of the wings and drop them by 10 millimeters. And this was due to the information available from the scans. It was showing that those people that were experiencing issues had overpronation and also an undeveloped arch. And this is the amazing thing about Vivobiome. It means that issues that you are encountering through your unique biology can be added into the design and the development of the shoe to give you a unique and bespoke fitment. To be completely honest, these are so close to being perfect for me. I love the fit, I love the style. By having something that is unique to my foot, when I put them on, I feel like Cinderella. I feel like they fit my foot perfectly. And this innovation and what the technology allows is amazing. And I can't wait to see what other innovations and other products they are able to apply this technology to. There are a couple of things that I would like to see improved. One is this toe cap. I feel that when I'm out for a run, it inhibits my big toe a little bit. I would either see a shallower and wider toe cap or get rid of that toe cap altogether. But I feel like this is such an innovative product. It's so close to being what I want from a shoe, and just being part of this innovative process really does mean a lot to me. I love the Primus Lite 3s. If you do want to see a review on the Primus Lite 3s, then click this link here. These for me are the benchmark. They're not just the benchmark for Vivos, but they are the benchmark by which I compare all barefoot shoes. If they could replicate this sort of rubberized sole, I would prefer that. I think that this rubberized texture gives a little bit more tackiness, a little bit more connection when I'm out and about through different surfaces. I would love to see a firm ground version, something with slightly more tread. And the amazing news is that you can now sign up for the Vivobiome program. If you are interested, I will leave a link below where you can sign up. Check out the Vivo Barefoot socials, and I look forward to bringing you more developments as the biome itself improves, develops, and there are more shoes coming. If you are interested in any of the Vivo products, grab yourself a discount across the Vivo Barefoot range. I highly stand by Vivo's innovation, what they are trying to do as a company, and highly encourage you to free your feet and experience barefoot shoes for yourself.